Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bajaj Majesty ICX Neo Induction Stove. There's an image of the induction stove right on top. The working voltage range is 130 volts to 260 volts, which is standard for most households. This particular induction stove also comes with 1 year of warranty. Let's quickly take a look at what features are available over here. It says world-class features, performance plus, energy saving due to quick and efficient heating, well-designed internals to avoid ingress of water and insects, reliable and long life Tact switches, convenience plus, a flat, clean, elegant cooktop and controls, easy to operate controls, power on off switch, 7 cooking mode selector, variable temperature selection, variable time selection, variable power selection, delay timer function, digital display for ease of operation, power consumption indicator, easy to clean and variable cooking options. A lot of features right there, and that's more or less all the information you will get on the box. I will open this and show you what's inside. We have a couple of documents right on top. This is basically the warranty information for this particular induction cooktop. And this is the user and care manual for the Majesty ICX Neo Induction Stove. Everything that you want to know you will find in this document in 2 languages as well. So it's a very important document. You shouldn't lose any of these documents actually. They're very important documents. And this is the induction cooktop. This comes with a crystal plate on top. It's written over here, notice the crystal plate is hot after cooking. Please don't touch with your hand. So this particular plate is what gets heated up when you when you start cooking. So the idea is never to touch this spot at the very least, even once you're done cooking. It takes a while to cool down. This cooktop also comes with this very nice design. It looks very classy, super elegant as well. There are these controls at the bottom. These are the 7 cooking mode selectors. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On-off button, LCD display for when you want to see the temperature or the time that you're taking. Timer button and a plus-minus button for setting all the different timers and temperature. Underneath over here, this is the fan. This is the fan that keeps this induction cooker cool once you're done using it. Over here it's written rating 1600 watt, 230 volts to 50 hertz. So this is a 1600 watt induction cooker. Also notice there are 4 anti-slip stops underneath to make sure that this device is stable when you're using it. Finally, at the back we have this pretty thick power cable, a PVC power cable with a 3-pin jack on one end. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Bajaj Majesty ICX Neo Induction Stove. Thank you for watching.